Hey, welcome back to this channel. My name's Oliver, and today we're gonna take a look at another trading session with binary options on pocket option. Guys, today we'll take an amount X as usual and try to make it at least X10 or reach my daily objective, which is at least 1k plus. If you want to find out the result, stick around till the end. Let's start the video of today. And let's go for the first option. Right, this combination is pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and and enter into a call option. You guessed it, there's obviously dominating trend, uptrend, and I went with it. There's a bunch of indications. So vortex is one of them. We see a clear path where it's going. We see that parabolic SAR is pushing us from the bottom, kind of, right? It's a support for us. And also we were crossing through the top part of the Bollinger Bands. Doesn't matter which channel you have, channel indicator. It could be Keltner, it could be Donchian channel. So, well, actually, Donchian channel, you're not gonna see that it's crossing through the top almost. I think usually not, but you can set it up in a way that it does. But yeah, that said, we already made profit from this option, so what we're gonna do is continue. Great start, let's go for it. And vice versa here, the situation is different. Let's go with $200 and an option put. In this case, we see a growing trend and it's a downtrend. Parabolic SAR is at the top now, so it's now pushing us down, it's resistance. And yeah, we're bouncing off from the top of Bollinger Bands channel, top ceiling, let's call it, and moving towards the middle first, which is a support level for us now. And then if that goes through as such, it might go through it, we're expecting it to drop further down to the floor of the channel, and then that's history, because that's too far away from us. For us right now, it's what important thing is that it doesn't bounce off that middle, is exactly what it's doing right now. But in case we have that some money on the balance there, let's see. Oh, it worked out, but it was so close to being a disaster. But anyway, look at that, $472 on the balance. Let's go for the next one. Again, vortex giving me an indication, growing trend. I'm going in with 70%, was it? Yeah, about that, 70% of the balance, and follow the trend basically. Vortex is a good indicator, and again we're above the top line of the top of the channel, and parabolic SAR again is supporting us from the bottom. So this is all same indicator, it's all similar indications, but unless you hit with some resistance or support levels particularly. But I'm not seeing those so far, so I'm just going with the indications, which is sometimes easier because, for example, sometimes the indicators will not be effective if there is a level somewhere, a key level, local levels. It will, overrule any indications. Could be completely opposite to what you've seen from indicators because of the level. Anyways, good so far. Let's continue here. And look at that. This one is, I'm gonna anticipate and go for it with an option put, because what I see is on vortex, it's about to cross, switch the domination stance, and I see that it's trying to break through the middle of the channel. It's a strong indication. And again, parabolic SAR is at the top, pushing it down. This is anticipation. This is not 100%, but that's what I feel like. And by the look of it, it's exactly what's happening. Will it stay toward, that direction? Well, we'll see. It's 15 seconds left. It's nothing. Let's see. I hope it does, because we are getting very close to our daily objective. And with this one, oh my god, it started growing up. Boom. And we're in daily objective of today. Great, but we're gonna continue a bit more because I have still some time, so let's go for it. $500. And here an option, well, I'd go with an option up here because that's a strong impulse. But as I said before, when you hit a level, and here we clearly hit a level, you can see that where we entered this exactly, there is a resistance level. It's a local one, but it's a strong one. And this what's happening now. This pullback is after resistance. As I said, sometimes it's completely opposite to what indications said. See what happens? Let's wait for it to finish and we'll continue. And there you go, we are in 1500 already. Guys, this is perfect. I'm gonna go and push a little bit more. Let's see if we can make 2000 today. Let's go for it. Right, how about this one? There's a growing trend. We could try to go 72% payout. It will get us close. So anyway, with an option put here, again there is a resistance level, so I'm going with it. Overruling indications, because by the indicators I should be going up. But as I said, if you see there's a level, you feel like this, the movement there is struggling, there's a level, the struggle, you know what to do. Even if it's completely opposite to what indicators say. That's important. A lot of times people, the negligence to levels is crazy, and they think, oh, what's going on? The indicators said that, and they think their interpretation of indicators is wrong. But actually, it's a more complete approach to it. Is a complete technical analysis, not just working with a few indicators and thinking that's it. Guys, we are pretty close. I'm gonna leave it at that. I don't want to risk more. So I hope you enjoyed today's session, because I did. I'm sure you did also. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. See you next time. All the best. Good luck.